Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a fall look. As you can tell, I'm screaming fall at you right now. This look was definitely inspired by the colors of the leaves in fall and also pumpkin spice lattes, because I personally love pumpkin spice lattes and I was just in the zone today and I really liked how this turned out. So I hope you guys continue to watch and see how to get this look right here.
So first I'm going to use Revenge from Shayla's Perception palette, and we're going to use that as our transition shade, blending it out. While I'm blending this out, I'm making sure that I wing out the eyeshadow as well instead of rounding it out. Next, I'm going in with PlayDoh, and we're putting this in the outer corner, bringing it into the crease, but also allowing the Revenge color to peek through. You want to make sure that this shade reaches halfway in your crease and not all the way through into the inner corner. Next, we're doing the cut crease, and I messed up right there, but that's okay. You guys already know how I do my cut crease. You put concealer on your eyelid and then you look up, and that maps out where your cut crease should end. And make sure that you're doing a half cut crease. We're not going to go all the way. And since I messed up, I'm just going back in with Revenge and covering up any of my mistakes. Next, I'm going into Diva and putting it on top of my cut crease with my finger. And for the next step, I went in with a small angled brush. And with this brush, it helps apply the eyeshadow precisely where we couldn't do it with our finger. So it helps with the edges. Next, we're going back into PlayDoh, and we're going to apply it where it already was, but also bringing it up a little bit more so the transition shade meshes into it better, but this just helps deepen up the look. Next, I went into Unbothered and just applying it right under my brow bone. I then went into the NYX Matte Liquid Liner to create my wing. And the first thing I do with creating a wing is making sure that I line my lash line. I do this because you don't want too much product where the wing will be, because that's just too much and intense and you can mess up easily. But if you start with your lash line, then it will just help make your wing eyeliner look cleaner and more cut. So after the wing's done, I'm just cleaning up wherever there's any eyeshadow beneath the wing with some concealer. And I'm doing this so the look looks more clean. After that, I'm going back into Revenge, and I'm just putting it into my lower lash line, making sure that it goes halfway. After that, I'm going back into PlayDoh and putting that into my lower lash line, focusing it closer to my lashes than Revenge. And here's me getting lit. Can you guys guess what song I'm lit to? But anyways, I'm just tight lining my upper lashes with a black liner. Next, I'm going into Becca's Opal Highlighter and packing this into my inner corner. And after that, you already know the drill. I have to add some mascara for my falsies. And here I'm just applying Tarte's Man Eater lashes, which is my new favorite. And you can't forget about the lower lashes, so I added some mascara to them as well. And lastly, I'm putting on Tarte's liquid lipstick in Front Row and putting that all over my lips.
So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!